Perfect. guys. We got some progress going. Excuse the mess, but we got something going here. So the deal on this is I seen a bunch of videos online about 2x4s, and then some people use MDF, some people use birch, and some people use pine or whatever plyboards you can find or whatnot. So I figured, okay, I've tried every other thing, but I seen that 2x4 thing, and it was kind of interesting to me. So I figured, why not give that a try to see what it does, you know. But I've seen a couple of other videos where people did it, and it looked like it worked. But I just wanted to give it a try to see if it worked. But so far, if y'all can see right here, it's a mess in there. I just threw everything back there. I'm epoxy and resin, fiberglass resin and stuff like that. As y'all can see right there, it's coming together quite well. As y'all can see there, I'm trying to let the resin dry up in there, and just resin around all around the inside or whatnot. Then of course I got the 2x4s on the side. It's not gonna stay like that. I'm gonna put boards on the sides and everywhere. So I'm like, go with, instead of like 4 sides and 3 sides, whatever I can do, I just did 2x4s all the way around, epoxy. So I think it's pretty solid for right now. But I got board on the top. I'm gonna have board on the sides, all the way around, on the bottom, around there. We're gonna do the whole get up, and then we're gonna put the baffle on the top, and then we're gonna, you know, put a little bit of epoxy down the side. We're gonna make sure no air is leaking nowhere, and I think it's pretty solid. So we're gonna brace even do the outside to make it even stronger with some more boards on the outside as well. That we're on top of that with the epoxy and glue and all of that stuff we're gonna use. But this is just another way to go about it. It's a DIY build. It's not no you know, to the T type deal. We you know, it worked last time, of course, but we had some wood. There might be a piece of the old wood right there. This is just stuff we was using throughout the day. You know, the whole family was out here working on it. But just stay tuned for the video. We're gonna try to document this as much as we can. But we've been working through the tornadoes and sirens going off while we were working on it, and we had to leave it and go take cover in the shelter or whatever you want to call it. We had to do all of that, get it over with, and hopefully everything's good. It's getting hot out here, and we'll get this done soon. And of course, we hadn't announced what we're gonna run in here, but you know, hopefully we'll have all that sealed and the deal sealed on that. We know we're running with, and I'm talking about specific brands or whatnot. That's what I mean. But we know about the rest of it. And you know what we're gonna need as far as the space and all of that. But hopefully everything work out. Y'all tune in, subscribe to the channel, use the link down below. And if y'all need some of that merch, BASSWITHKEV merch, be sure to go to caraudioConnect.com and pick BASSWITHKEV merch. Use the discount codes and links on the website. You support the channel, and I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go ahead and give me something to eat, and as soon as we get the baffle in here and everything, we'll be back with that, and we'll get the back on and all of the extra stuff, and put some extra little supports and here and there. But I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one, man.